Hey everybody, we are going to look at a washing machine cleaner today. Here I've got Affresh, a very popular brand. It comes in various sizes. I've got a packet here which contains 3 tablets and you can use it as per the instructions at the back. So here it says that we need to remove all the clothing from the washer, place 1 tablet into the tub and select clean cycle if your washer has 1 clean cycle. If it doesn't have a clean cycle, then for non-high efficiency washers, select and run a normal or heavy cycle with hot water setting. And if you have a high efficiency machine but no clean cycle, then select and run the largest load and longest cycle for the hot water setting. And if necessary, consult the guide that came with the washer. Sometimes there may be residue, so you need to remove the residue from the washer after the cleaning. And I think what they want to say is that this is not very abnormal. We could get residue at the end. And they've recommended to use once a month or after every 30 cycles. So here is my Samsung washer. It's not very old, 4 or 5 years. And I see that it has a self-clean cycle. So I'll use that, and before I start the washer I need to place the tablet in the drum. So this is the tablet from the packet. I'll open it up and place it on the drum. I've placed the tablet in the drum, but while I was placing I pressed the tablet too hard and it broke, which is still okay because it's just like powder and it'll stay in the drum, so no worries there. So that's the tablet partially still intact. Do not put the tablet in any of these detergent or softener cases. Now we are ready to turn on the machine. Power on and go for self clean. So it'll run for 54 minutes. And we'll see how the results are after that. So the cleaning is complete. Let's look how the washer looks like inside. More or less the washer is clean, but I see some residue buildup here. So I will run the cycle one more time just without the tablet to clean this off. Or you could even wipe it with a clean cloth if you want to, but I'll just run it. So if you have any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching.